What is the double entry system of accounting? The double entry system of accounting is one of the widely used methods of booking as it proves to be the most accurate method of record keeping. So what is the double entry accounting system? Double entry system recognizes the fact that every transaction has two aspects and both are recorded in the books of accounts. In order to receive some value, an equal value needs to be given. In this example, you are receiving a car, which can be considered as receiving, and you're paying cash, which can be considered as giving. As per this definition, every transaction will impact at least two accounts. In our example, car is one account and cash is the other account. When using the double entry system, every transaction involves a debit entry in one account and a credit entry in another account. This is because one account received value and another account has given value. Before you record any transaction, find out the two accounts affected by it and which one will be debited and credited. Every debit must have its corresponding and equal credit. Errors and fraud can be checked and rectified easily thanks to this system. We hope that you now understand the double entry system. Don't hesitate to share this video to a friend who would be interested, like it if you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.